Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about... Yeah, that's what the video is all about. Well actually, today's video is all about how you can control your TV using a smartphone. It's pretty easy to do it. Now if you think about it, let's say that you're using your TV remote, but it doesn't seem to work because the battery might run out, or maybe you just misput it somewhere and you can't even find it and you feel like, oh my days, what should I do? That's why you got a smartphone that you can control it to your Samsung TV. So let me show you how you can do it, guys. And to all my TikTok followers who are watching this is how you can connect your smartphone to your smart TV and you can use it as a remote control. But the only thing is, you do need an internet connection, because without it, it's not going to work. Alright, so let me show you how to do it. Let's go. Firstly, you need to go into Smart Things, then tap on the plus icon and then just tap on Add Devices. Then go into Samsung device, or you can do a nearby device over here. But I'm just going to do a Samsung device. Scroll down until you find TV. Here's my TV showed up. I'm just going to tap on that. Once you tap on it, you just need to enter the code. Once you enter the code, you can just select your location, which is my home. I can choose my room as the living room. I can customize it too, and then just tap on customize and then do lounge. I'll just do it by pressing this button here, lounge, and then tap next. You can also rename your device's name, but in my case I'm going to leave it as Samsung 6 Series TV. Then hit save and then tap on done. Let it do its thing and voila. I'm just going to hit allow, and there you have it. You set up your own personal TV remote just on your phone. So this is your volume control, your channel control. This is to change your source over here. You can also press this button, which is going to give you these color buttons. You got your home hub button, your back button, and this switch over here you can actually control your playback, and you got this number pad over here, and you also got your controls, which is up, down, left, right, and you even use the trackpad too. But let me show you how it goes. If I swipe to the right, you can see how it's navigating to the right. If I swipe left, it's going to go left. I can even control it on my smartwatch too. All I just need to do is to swipe this way until I have my controls over here. I can control the volume, I can change the channel, and if I tap on this three dots over here, I can use the remote control from there. So left, right, I can just press OK, and yeah. But the only problem is, when controlling through your smartwatch, it is going to be a bit of a delay. But with your phone, it's not going to be that much of an issue. At least you got yourself your own personal remote. And I'll tell you what, it's a really good alternative. Unless you lost your TV remote or it doesn't seem to work, your phone is something that you can control with. So there you go, guys. I'm sure you learned something new today, and I'm sure this video is quite helpful for some of you guys who do have a smart TV like mine, which is Samsung 6 Series. Yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and by the way, guys, here's a bit of a quote for you. With advanced technology comes with great possibilities. I think I renamed it from the Spider-Man quote, but yeah, this is my quote anyways. As always, guys, thank you very much. Subscribe, give yourself a like. I'll catch up with you guys in the next video. Other than that, have a great one.